BS Locksmith LLC in Aurora, Colorado, the Denver Metro, Automotive Residentials Commercial, 720-372-8021. Ford Explorer 2016. Customer lost all key. It's a push to start. Here we go. We disable the factory alarm and we program a key fob for him. Here we go. Wonderful. And lock and unlock. Lock, unlock. Here we go. If you need automotive, residential, commercial, please call us. Years of experience, always fair prices. 720-372-8021. I'm Shlomo, I'm the owner. If you need a locksmith, please call me. Thank you. Have a good weekend. We work all the time, on the weekend, and every day. Thank you.